Hey there, beautiful souls. Have you ever felt that tug, that yearning for adventure, calling your name? That's your spirit wanting to roam free. Traveling solo in your 50s can seem daunting. Believe me, I get it. But it's incredibly liberating and empowering. Remember those dreams you had? Exploring new places, meeting new people? It's not too late. This is your time to shine. Embrace the unknown and discover yourself. You might be wondering, will I be lonely? What if I don't meet anyone? Those fears are normal, but you've got this. You have wisdom and stories to share. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and embark on an incredible journey. Trust me, you won't regret it. One of my favorite things about traveling solo is the freedom to do exactly what you want, when you want. But that doesn't mean you have to do everything alone. Some of the most rewarding experiences come from connecting with others. One of the easiest ways to meet people is through group activities. Love to dance? Sign up for a salsa class or a tango lesson. Enjoy exploring new cities. Look for guided walking tours. Passionate about food? Join a food tour or a cooking class. Remember that time I went to Italy and took a pasta making class? It was pure joy. We laughed, cooked, shared stories, and exchanged numbers. Shared experiences create instant bonds. So don't be afraid to try something new and strike up conversations. You never know who you might meet. Now, let's talk about Airbnb experiences. You know I love a good Airbnb for its unique and cozy accommodations, but have you explored their experiences? These are locally hosted activities that offer a chance to dive deeper into the local culture and meet like-minded people. Picture this: sipping coffee with adorable huskies in Alaska, channeling your inner artist at a sip and paint like Van Gogh night, learning the passionate steps of tango on a rooftop in Buenos Aires, or indulging in a delicious tapas crawl through the charming streets of Barcelona. These are just a few examples of the incredible experiences waiting for you. The beauty of Airbnb experiences is that they cater to a wide range of interests, from cooking and crafts to adventure and nightlife. Plus, they're usually offered in small groups, which creates a more intimate and social atmosphere. It's like having a local friend show you around their city and introduce you to their favorite hidden gems. Remember, making friends while traveling is all about finding your tribe, those kindred spirits who share your passions and perspectives. One of the best ways to do that is by seeking out activities and experiences that align with your interests. Are you a bookworm? Check out local bookstores, literary festivals, or book clubs. Love to hike? Join a hiking group or explore local trails? Passionate about photography? Look for photography tours or workshops. The possibilities are endless. When you surround yourself with people who share your passions, conversations flow effortlessly, and genuine connections are formed naturally. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people you meet at these events. Ask questions, share your own experiences, and be open to connecting on a deeper level. Section 5. Beyond the tourist trail, local connections, and authentic experiences. While tourist attractions are great for sightseeing, Venturing off the beaten path can lead to more authentic experiences and unexpected connections. Consider staying in locally owned guest houses or B&Bs instead of large hotels. The hosts are often a wealth of information and can offer valuable insights into the local culture and hidden gems. Another great way to connect with locals is by volunteering your time. Many organizations welcome volunteers, even for short-term projects. It's a wonderful way to give back to the community, meet people with similar values, and create a positive impact. Remember, the most enriching travel experiences often happen when you step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unexpected. So, be open to new adventures, be curious, and don't be afraid to say yes to opportunities that come your way. Section 6, Language of Laughter, Breaking Barriers with a Smile. Sometimes the most powerful tool for connection is the simplest one, a genuine smile. A smile transcends language barriers and cultural differences, instantly making you more approachable and inviting. Don't be afraid to smile at people you pass on the street, at the market, or in a cafe. A simple hello or good morning in the local language can go a long way in breaking the ice and opening doors for conversation. Remember, people are generally drawn to warmth and positivity. So let your light shine through, embrace the joy of travel, and watch as connections blossom around you. Section 7, Solo, but never alone, embracing the journey. Traveling solo doesn't mean you're always alone. It's about embracing the freedom to choose your own adventure, to connect with yourself on a deeper level, and to be open to the incredible tapestry of humanity that awaits. Remember, every person you meet has a story to tell, a lesson to share, and a different perspective to offer. Be present, be curious, and be open to the transformative power of human connection. Embrace the moments of solitude, for they offer a chance for introspection, reflection, and self-discovery. And when you're feeling social, put yourself out there, strike up conversations, and allow yourself to be surprised by the incredible people you meet along the way. Section 8, Your Turn to Explore, Tips for Solo Travel Confidence. Ready to embark on your own solo adventure, but feeling a little unsure? Here are a few tips to boost your confidence and make the most of your trip. 1, plan ahead, but stay flexible. Research your destination, book your accommodation in advance, and have a rough itinerary in mind. But also, leave room for spontaneity and embrace the unexpected detours. 2, pack light, travel smart. Pack only what you need and choose versatile clothing, items that can be mixed and matched. Comfortable shoes are a must. 3, stay connected, stay safe. Invest in a reliable travel adapter. Keep your phone charged and share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. Be mindful of your surroundings and trust your instincts. 4, embrace technology. Use travel apps to navigate, find local restaurants, and connect with fellow travelers. And 5, most importantly, trust yourself. You are capable, you are strong, and you are worthy of adventure. Embrace the unknown, trust your instincts, and enjoy the ride. Section 9, join the journey, share, connect, and explore. So there you have it, my friends, my tips for embracing solo travel in your 50s and making the most of every moment. Remember, the world is waiting to be explored, and there's a whole community of like-minded women ready to cheer you on every step of the way. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever traveled solo? What are your biggest fears or concerns? What tips or advice do you have for fellow solo travelers? Share your thoughts, stories, and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring travel adventures.